So over millions of years, the plant has figured out how to use silicon to strengthen its cell walls. And most of this is occurring in the cuticle, in the outer shell of the turfgrass plant. So strengthening that means that the plant's going to be able to handle the traffic stress of rolling and mowing and double cutting and foot traffic much, much better. Also, when we're strengthening those cell walls and we're getting that plant to stand more upright, that's a benefit to plant as far as handling traffic stress as well. A bent grass leaf blade that is laying flat is getting pounded by the rollers and the mowers, and if you add top dressing sand into that, there's just a lot of friction that will damage that plant. Now, if it's standing straight up, it will receive a lot less damage from all that traffic.